I'm so excited to talk to you about building a business online. And of course, we're going to talk a little bit about digital products, but I want to walk you through step by step how to do it. And for this video, I've partnered with Riverside, which is the go-to tool that I rely on for my digital products. Stay tuned. I'll be sharing more about Riverside later in the video. So if you feel overwhelmed with the idea of starting an online business, I'm going to make it very simple in this video. Jumping right into step number one, you have to decide what your brand is. Some people would say pick a niche or whatever. I don't really think it's about picking a niche as much as it's choosing who you are, what your brand is, what you're going to offer, just all of those very important but beginning stage foundational details that I think a lot of people forget. They're like, I want to post online, I want to be, an influencer, I want to be a content creator, but why and what is your brand about? So that's the first step. And I have a resource, it's completely free, that can help you. It's called Design Your Biz Dashboard. It's pretty much a template bundle hosted in Notion. It includes like a brand book guide that will walk you through how to build your own brand book, which essentially is a brand guide. It's something that holds all the information about you and your business and your brand. Also a value ladder worksheet. So a value ladder is pretty much your offerings, the ladder of value that you're going to take your community on. So this might be your, free resource, your lead magnet, then a couple paid offerings. And so it just helps you work through what that funnel or ladder might look like. And so that's in there along with a lot of other resources like content calendar, etc. So this is free. I will have it linked below. I suggest you get it. And in the brand book page specifically, there are tons of questions and prompts to help you really figure out what your brand is all about. And that's really the first step in the process. If you don't do that, you can't do anything else. So start there. And then you need to pick what social media platform you're going to post on. And yes, you have to have social media. Why? Because you need to build a community. If you want to build any kind of online business, you need a community, you need people to talk to, you need people to nurture, you need people to sell to. And the best way to do that right now in this day and age is on social media. I think email marketing is still very strong, but how are you going to get people there? Social media. So we need some sort of sales funnel, and using social media as free versus, running paid ads, which is an option. If you have money to invest right from the get-go, go ahead and do, Facebook ads, whatever you want to do. But if you are like most of us online creators who want to build a business, most of the time we're starting from nothing and all we have is our creativity. And so social media is going to be your bestie. And I'm going to recommend the platform I love the most, and that is YouTube. Big surprise. I think YouTube is amazing because videos are evergreen. So once you post it once, they can continue growing and bringing you leads in the future. I have tons of videos I posted years ago that are still getting people to my email list. So it just shows you the power of evergreen content like on YouTube videos. Another reason I think YouTube is the way to go, especially right now with everything going on with Meta and then the potential TikTok ban coming up. It's just a safe place for creators right now. And so if you're going to start on a platform today, I think YouTube is a good one to choose. Also, they have shorts. They have a community post feature. So they have a lot of the other things that the other platforms have. But again, long form content is evergreen. And I think it's very important to add this to your social media arsenal. And I'm going to also say just choose one and start there. I am going into 2025 with this new refresh. I'm doing a brand refresh, so you're going to start noticing some changes on my channel and on my website and everything. I am taking things back, I'm simplifying, and I'm going to focus my energy only on YouTube right now. I am going to still have my newsletter, lots of free value. It's not meant to sell, it's meant to nurture and to provide. And then I will post on Instagram here and there, but it's more just to communicate with you, not so much to be strategic. YouTube is where I feel at home, and so I'm going to put my energy into that basket, and I suggest you do the same, but you pick whatever platform you want. Now that you really know who you are, what your brand is, you have a platform you're going to be posting content on, now you just have to start creating content. I want to urge you not to overthink this. I think I overthink it all the time, but right now I'm in a t-shirt. I have my hair thrown back. I just made my son, who is 6, a bowl of popcorn. My husband and my dad are downstairs working on our basement, which we're finishing, so there's some noises happening. but I just showed up. I'm here and I'm making this video because I feel like I have something to share, and I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to provide my value. Put yourself out there. If you're struggling to figure out what to post initially and you need to get that first video out of the way just because it's going to be cringe, it's going to be awkward, just record an introduction of who you are, what your brand's about, and what people can expect on your channel. It doesn't have to be perfect, and just put it out there, and it will feel like a relief and it will make the next video easier. So go ahead and do that. And then we're going to move on to step number 2, which is creating and building a lead magnet. So like I said, YouTube, social media is a funnel that you can lead to your email marketing platform. I recommend Flowdesk. If they join your email list, you have direct access to their inbox, and then hopefully you can, build off of that relationship, and they will want to be a part of your community long term. The next step in this process is creating a digital product. So you now are going to want to create something that connects back to your lead magnet. So like I mentioned in step 1, you need to have a value ladder. So that is your lead magnet, which might then lead to a simple digital product like a PDF guide. And then after that, you want to have some sort of premium offering. So that might be a course or a membership or a very detailed workshop, something that's bigger and has a higher price point, but it has a lot more value. And for this portion of the video, I want you to check out my partner, Riverside. Welcome inside my Riverside studio. I want to show you a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be working on and how I'm going to use Riverside to do it. So as you might see up here, it says upcoming course. Yes, your girl is going to be making a course. I'm very excited about it. I have no idea what I'm going to call it yet, but essentially this course is going to be walking you through how to do this whole business thing in the simplest, most streamlined, systematic way that you can do it even if you don't have a lot of time. I started my business and all of this creating and selling digital products, things like that, while having a full-time 40-hour per week job and a newborn. So I didn't have the time, which means I stretched myself so thin. I was miserable, and I have so much insight now on how I could have done it better and not felt like I was dying. So I'm essentially creating a course on how to do what I did, but better, so that you, whether you want to be a work at home mom and be able to be home with your kids, or you want to be able to quit that corporate job that you've never loved, I want to show you how to do that. So that's what my course is going to be about. If you have any ideas for names, let me know in the comments. But anyway, so I haven't recorded yet for my course, but I want to show you how I will be using Riverside for it. So as far as recording, I'm going to be using my camera, which is a Sony ZV Mark II, and then I'm going to upload that footage into Riverside, and that's how I'm going to edit everything. You can also record directly in here, which I am probably going to do that as well. I will either use this Logitech webcam that I have, or I might actually connect my Sony camera to Riverside. They actually can record in 4K if you are using a 4K camera. So keep that in mind. I will probably be doing that because they have the ability to do presentation styles and screen sharing, and I think that will be super helpful with my course. But some of the just basic head talking videos, I might just record and then drop in here. So I'm going to show you in here by starting with the upload section. So now we're in the editing platform, and this is just a sample that I had created for a past demonstration. I think the feature I'll probably really get the most use out of for these courses is the edit by text feature. It's right here in front of your face, and you can so easily just highlight anything, one word, a whole sentence, and simply delete it. And it's now gone from the actual video itself. The text is gone and the clip is gone. So this whole section right here is blacked out, and that is the text that I erased up there. There's a lot of other things that you can do too. Like you can open this and do AI voice, and it mimics your voice. It's actually kind of creepy, but in a good way. So if you said something and realize you said the wrong word, or maybe you said something where you're like, ugh, I don't really like that, I would have rather said this, and you don't want to sit there and re-record the entire video, you can use this feature and it will literally sound just like you. Hello, I'm Shelby. Okay, I'm gonna have it generate the voice. Okay, we're just gonna give it a second. It's processing right now. And while that is processing, I'm gonna show you a couple other features that I think are super helpful. So more than anything, you know, my course, it's gonna be pretty simple. It's not gonna be like overly edited videos, not like a YouTube video would be. It's gonna be a little more streamlined, like kind of straight to the point, but I wanna make sure the quality is top notch. And so I love they have this option up here that says AI producer. You can set pace, which means it would remove pauses and improve the conversation flow. It also can smooth the speech by removing filler words and unwanted sounds. It can magic mute, which this is more for like interview styles, which who knows, maybe that will be on my course too. And it can make sure when the other person's not talking, it mutes them so that you're not hearing their background noises or breathing or anything while you're talking. And then also the magic audio, which can enhance the audio tracks, so making them sound like studio quality, like you had this recorded in a professional studio. It will make them sound that way. Okay, so it looks like they finished my little AI voice. Let's hear it together. I'm kind of nervous. Like, let's see how this sounds.
I'm Shelby.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Hello, I'm Shelby.
That's so weird. It's a little robotic. Like, you can kind of like tell it's AI, at least for me, because it's my voice. But like if you used it to just replace one word, I don't know that you would be able to tell. Like if you said, I really like pickles, but you meant to say, I really like piñatas, I don't think that anybody would notice. I have no idea where that example came from, by the way. But either way, Riverside is going to really change the game with creating this course. I'm really excited to start diving into it. And if this is something that you're interested in, you don't have to use it for digital products or courses. Essentially, it's a like podcast studio. So if you want a video podcast or even an audio podcast, this platform is set up for that. But then it can be used for live webinars and courses and workshops and, you know, anything. So definitely check it out. You can get 15% off by using my link in the description and my promo code Shelby. And thank you so much, Riverside, for sponsoring this video. Now moving on to the next step, you need to build momentum. And what I mean by this is you need to be posting consistently. Once you get all of this set up, the workflow, the systems, continuously lead people to your lead magnet or your paid offering, and then keep nurturing them in your email list. You just need to do this on repeat and do it consistently to see results. Don't forget to check out Riverside, and to be able to get the 15% discount, you need to use my link in the description and my promo code Shelby. All of this will be linked below, so you don't have to worry about it. And also, don't be afraid to comment below and just like tell me what business ideas you have. I want to talk to you. So let me know below what you're dealing with, what you have questions about, like what businesses you're wanting to start. If I have any ideas, I will totally share them with you. And let's just get to know each other more. And grab my freebie so you can be on my email list, and then you can, you know, email me directly as well. But I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.